Alright, this is the third elevator, Haughton swing door elevator at this apartment building complex in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. This is car A. So A and B are in one building and C and D are in another building. These elevators made the news, so you probably heard them by now. Haughton, I'm impressed that they actually cut the floor out to leave that exposed. Haughton AC elevators, obviously these are modernized. I'd have to look on the records to see when this mod took place. Doors used to be hand operated. It's a shirt sticker on the wall. 1,500 pound capacity. This one actually has a bell. Like the other two I've seen so far. Phone door is sealed. There's an escape hatch, an air freshener which doesn't work, a light, and a security camera. And it's actually working. You see a green light flickering in it. Alright, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed.